Hello, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can create this flow effect, and this is done without any simulations, so it's very easy for your computer to calculate. And even with a bad computer like I have, I can simulate this in real time, and I can move it around and it's not a big problem. So the way you set this up is you want to create a plane, and in this plane we want to add a particle system, and we want to go to render and then change halo to object. And before we choose our object here down here, we want to create a metaball. We can scale it down and move it to the side. Then we want to select the metaball, and now what we can do is we can press play and nothing really happens. We can see some small particles down here. So we want to scale it up, and you will see immediately there you will see something. And in the number settings, we can change it from 1,000 to 20,000. And when we press play, we get a much smoother surface or finish. And I think these balls are too big, so I will also change the scale again like this. And we can also shade it smooth by angle. If we change the scale like this and set scale by Control A, and as you can see, the shape of the square change the shape of the like metaballs, how they fall. If we turn this on the y-axis and press play again, we can see that they fall down in a slight curve. You see now also they disappeared around here, and this is the end here. So if I change this to 250, it will simulate till 250. And also, if you want to fill it into a glass, you can change the lifetime. So if we change this to 4, they only fall a little bit. And then maybe 10 in this case will be good. No, maybe more, 20. You see. So you can change this. You can also play with the seed to randomize it. But to make this look like something like water, we want to add a texture to the metaball. And we can do this very easily with a mix shader and a glass and a transparent, and change it to like this, and also change the IR to 0.33. If we go now into cycles like this, and we add a plane in the background, R, Y, and scale it up and have it in the background like this. We can also add a emission to this plane like that. So now you can see that the material is transparent. To add a color to this, you can either change it in the transparent, or you can change it in the glass. You can also, because this is a particle system, you can affect it with a you can also affect it with a force, and we want to add wind, and we change the direction. So in this physics tab, we can change the strength, and this will make the water uh, flow in a different direction now. And also one thing I want to show you is if you go to this tab and face orientation, you want the blue side to be towards the direction you want the flow to be. So if I change this to the other side so it shows red, it will flow in the other direction. So that's about it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like, and if you want to see more of this, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.